Now, I would like to invite Mr. Aman Kumar on the stage. Please clap for him.
There was a young lad named Simba. Simba had to do front of all animals first, and Simba so scared. If my sound is funny, he thought, all animals laugh at me. Simba hid behind the trees. So Simba don't come out, but then his friend Parrot said, you are lion, you are born on road. Just try. Simba close our eyes and take a deep breath. So Simba, give me a small root. All animals clapped. Just like Simba, we too feel strong sometimes. If we practice, if we show ourselves, if we show up, we can beat the fear. So friends, don't scare the stage. The stage is your jungle. Stay- Go, go and with your world. Thank you.
Thank you, Aman.
The next participant is Mr. Hardik.
A young boy named Ayan loved storytelling. He had a vivid imagination and weaved incredible stories in his mind. When he came in the front of people, he froze. His hands would shake, his throat would go dry, and his mind would go blank. He believed he was not meant for public speaking. One day, his teacher noticed this fear and gave him a challenge. Ayan, just tell me a 1 minute story every day. No audience, just me. Nervous but willing. Ayan started. At first, his voice trembled, but slowly he became more comfortable. Then his teacher pushed him a little further. Tell your story to a small group of classmates. He hesitated but did it. And to his surprise, they loved it. Over time, Ayan built his self confidence step by step. Eventually, he won a storytelling competition in the front of hundreds of people. What changed? It was not a magic, it was practice, persistence, and courage to start. What is self confidence? Self confidence is not feeling never afraid, it is about taking action that despite fear. It is not about knowing all the answer, it is about trusting yourself to find them. The many people believe that confidence is something that you have or don't, but truth is it is a skill, like just like learning to ride a bicycle or playing an instrument. The how to build self confidence. How to build self confidence? Like Ayan did. Here are simple steps. Number 1, start small. The confidence grows with small wins. If public speaking scares you, start with talking in the front of mirror. If you are afraid to sharing your works, start with your close friend. Small steps lead to big break thoughts. Number 2, reframe failure. Most people fear failure, but it is a not opposite of success. It is the part of journey. Think about Thomas Edison, who failed thousands of times before inventing light bulb. Every mistake is lesson, not a setback. Remember, Ayan, he was not born confident. He built it step by step. The first step is hardest. When you take it, you realize you were capable all along. So believe in yourself and take that step, and then watch the confidence transforms your life. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Miss Rohini on the stage. Please clap for her.
I have a friend who is very good in study, but she never is in the class, not because she didn't know the answer, but because a small voice inside it, she had kept saying, "What if I'm wrong? What if they laugh?" One day the teacher asked a question, she knew the answer clearly. That instant, for listening to fear, she slowly raised her hand. The answer was correct, the class did not laugh. The teacher smiled, "Nothing, it's magic." Changed that day except one thing, that she realized I was applicable all along. That moment is what self-confidence. Self-confidence is not about being perfect. It is not being better than others. Self-confidence is believing in yourself even when you are a trait. Every successful person you are admire once adopted themselves. The difference is they did not let adopted stop them. But the question is, how can we become confident? Let me give you 3 magic tips. Trust your efforts, not just results. Speak kindly to yourself. Stop comparing your journey with others. Remember, confidence is not something she built with step by step, choice by choice. So believe in yourself because you are far more capable than you think. Thank you and have a great day.
Wow, great confidence. Well done.
Let me welcome Mr. Hardik.
There was a boy named Raj who was full of ideas, brilliant at his job. But there was one problem. He never spoke up in meetings. Every time he had a thought, he hesitated. What if I say something stupid? What if they judge me? One day his manager pulled him aside and said, "Raj, I have seen you thinking. I know you have great ideas. Why don't you share them?" Raj admitted he was afraid of being wrong. His manager smiled and said, "The people who succeeded are not the ones who never make mistakes. They are the ones who are willing to take a chance." The That stuck with Raj. The next meeting, he forced himself to speak up. Just once. His hands were sweaty. His heart was racing. But he did it. And guess what? No one laughed. No one judged. In fact, his idea was appreciated. What changed? Raj did not suddenly become fearless. He simply stopped waiting for confidence and started acting despite fear. Now, the question is, what is self confidence? Self confidence is not about knowing all the answers, it's about trusting yourself to figure things out. And how can we build self confidence? Self confidence is built by step. First step, act first, feel confident later. Many people think that confidence comes before action, but in reality, confidence comes from action. Raj did not feel confident before speaking up. He spoke up first and confidence flowed. Second, reframe fear as growth. Instead of seeing fear as stop sign, see it as a signal that you are growing. Third point, celebrate small wins. Confidence is built by step. Spoke up once, took a risk, even if it wasn't perfect. Celebrate that too. Raj's story is a reminder that confidence is not about having no fear. It's about trusting yourself to figure things out. You don't have to be the loudest person in the room or the most fearless. You just have to believe in yourself to figure things out. Enough to try. So, the next time fear tells you to stay silent, to hold back, or to doubt yourself, ask yourself, what if I can? Take the step, speak up. The next time fear tells you to hold back, ask yourself, what if I can? Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Mr. Samaksh. Please clap for him.
Good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir.
My name is Smaksh. Today, I will tell you a very interesting topic, which is stage fear. Have you ever felt nervous before coming on the stage?
Yes, sir.
Yes, our hand feels cold, our heart beats fast, and forgot what to say. Even I think that अगर मैं भूल गया तो लोग मुझ पे हंसे तो. But I remembered myself. शुरुआत में सबको डर लगता है, even big actors and singers. Stage fear is just a small voice inside us that say तुम नहीं कर पाओगे या तुमसे नहीं होगा. But we can tell that voice, I am brave, I can do it. Do you know stage fear को दूर कैसे किया जा सकता है? There are 4 simple steps. Number 1, practice. हम जितना ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे हम उतना ज्यादा बेटर बन पाएंगे. Number 2, smile. जब हम स्माइल करते हैं we feel confident. Take a deep breath. It helps us to feel calm. Number 4, believe in yourself. Say, I am brave. I can do it. Let me tell you something funny. One day मैं स्टेज पे गया and I forgot my next line. मैं 5 सेकंड तक चुपचाप खड़ा रहा. Then I smiled, take a deep breath and remembered my line. And guess what? Everyone clapped because I did not give up. So friends, do not be scared of the stage. Be proud. You are brave by standing here. Every time when you come on the stage, you become stronger. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you so much.
So the next participant is Mr. Prakshat.
I have a friend who is very good at studies, but she cannot raise her hand in class. Not because she did not know the answer, but because a small voice inside she had kept saying, what if I am wrong? What if they laugh? One day teacher asked a question. She knew the answer clearly. This time instead listening to fear. The answer was correct. The class don't laugh. The teacher smiled. Nothing magically changed that day. Except one thing. She realized, I am capable all along. The moment is what is self-confidence really is. Self-confidence is not being about perfect. Self-confidence is believe in yourself even if you are scared. Every successful person you admire once doubted themselves. But the question is, how do we be more confident? Let me give you 3 magical tips. Number 1, trust your effort, not just result. Number 2, stop comparing your journey with others. Speak kindly yourself. Remember, confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build step by step, choice by choice. Believe in yourself because you are more capable than you think. Thank you.